Why eating 3 to 4 eggs every day can transform muscle, brain, heart, eye, and bone health for seniors.
The egg revolution. What really happens when you eat 3-4 eggs? Every single day, I'm about to tell you something that will make every doctor who warned you about eggs absolutely furious. But science doesn't lie. This is for informational purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. Hello. As a doctor specializing in senior health, I've spent decades helping patients navigate the confusing world of nutrition. One of the most common, fear-filled questions I hear is about eggs. For years, we've seen eggs get bad press. You were told they were bad for your heart, a cholesterol bomb to be avoided. So let me ask you, how many eggs do you think you should eat in a day? What if I told you the recommendation is 3 to 4 eggs every single day? This might sound extreme, but the tide has turned. The widespread propaganda that eggs cause cholesterol problems has simply been proven false. New research confirms this. It's time to look past the myths and understand the unique, powerful nutrition profile eggs offer, especially for those of us focused on healthy aging. The ultimate protein for muscle and vitality. Not all protein is created equal. Discover the gold standard hiding in your refrigerator. As we age, maintaining muscle mass, sarcopenia, is one of the most critical challenges. Protein is the answer, but your body needs the right kind of protein. Eggs are fundamentally different from other animal proteins like meat or fish. They aren't muscle tissue. They are a potential life form containing everything needed to create life. Because of this, eggs have the highest biological value of any protein source. This simply means the protein in eggs is the most efficiently absorbed and used by your human tissues. Why does this matter? Building blocks. This protein is an essential building block for your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. Repair and function. It's vital for repairing your body's proteins and creating the hormones and enzymes you need for every single biochemical function. Muscle building eggs contain all the essential amino acids, including a high amount of leucine, which is the key amino acid that triggers muscle building. Furthermore, eggs are a fantastic source of fuel. While only 10–20% of the protein from animal muscle can be used for fuel, a full 65% of an egg can be metabolized for energy, thanks to the high-quality fat in the yolk. This is why eggs provide such a substantial advantage over other proteins. A shield for your liver and brain hook. Worried about brain fog or a fatty liver? The nutrient you're missing might be choline. If there is one super nutrient in eggs, it's choline. Eggs are the second highest source of choline available. Choline is a B vitamin that is absolutely essential for several critical functions, especially as we get older. First, choline is essential for preventing a fatty liver. It is a key component of bile, which your body needs to properly digest fats. Second, choline is vital for your brain. It supports a process called methylation, which is essential for DNA repair. For many people who have genetic mutations, which I see often in my practice, absorbing choline can be difficult, making eggs a particularly beneficial food. When combined with the B12 and folate also found in eggs, this methylation support is even more powerful. Protecting your precious eyesight. See the world more clearly by eating these two powerful antioxidants daily. Your vision is not something to take for granted. The health of your retina is directly linked to specific nutrients. Eggs are a rich source of lutein and zeaxanthin. These are powerful antioxidants that are highly concentrated in your retina. Their job is to protect your eye cells against damage from ultraviolet and blue light. This is critically important for maintaining the health and function of your retina and supporting your ability to see in dim light. But these antioxidants do double duty. They also support brain health functions, including your concentration, memory, and learning capabilities. Eggs also contain phospholipids, which are fats that help support the membranes of your brain, further enhancing cognitive performance. A surprising ally for heart and bone health. The very food you were told was bad for your heart may actually help your blood pressure and bones. This is where the old myths truly crumble. Far from harming your heart, eggs contain compounds that may actively help it. Blood pressure. Eggs contain natural compounds that act like ACE inhibitors, which may help to lower blood pressure. Smart calcium. This is my favorite part. Eggs contain vitamin K2. Think of K2 as a traffic cop for calcium. As we age, we worry about calcium ending up in the wrong places, like our arteries, plaque, or joints, arthritis. Vitamin K2 helps transport calcium out of the soft tissues and directs it into your bones and teeth, where it belongs. If that weren't enough, eggs also provide other crucial nutrients. Vitamin A. Eggs contain the active form of vitamin A, retinol, which is vital for your skin, the lining of your respiratory and digestive tracts, and your immune system. Vitamin D. They also contain vitamin D, further supporting your immune system and bone health. More than just protein, the unique benefits of eggs. Hook. Did you know eggs have their own built-in defense system that can also help you? The benefits of eggs go even deeper. The egg white, for example, contains unique antimicrobial proteins that can kill harmful bacteria. It also contains compounds that bind to iron and vitamin B7, biotin. This binding function is actually a defense mechanism, helping to eliminate pathogens that depend on biotin to survive. This is why consuming many raw egg whites can sometimes lead to a biotin deficiency. However, simply cooking your eggs neutralizes this effect, allowing you to get all the benefits without any risk of deficiency. Not all eggs are created equal. How to choose the best egg. Hook. Is the cage-free label on your egg carton a health promise or just clever marketing? Now that you understand why you should eat eggs, we must discuss which eggs to buy. Walking into the dairy aisle can be confusing. You see labels like cage-free, organic, and pasture-raised. The differences are not just about marketing. They have a direct impact on the egg's nutritional quality and your health. Here's a simple breakdown. Conventional eggs. Approximately 65% of all eggs consumed come from conventional caged chickens. These hens are often restricted to tiny spaces, sometimes as small as 808 inches. These stressful conditions raise the hen's cortisol, stress hormone, which is not something you want to consume. Furthermore, they are typically fed a diet of GMO corn and soy. This diet leads to eggs that have a higher content of omega-6 fatty acids, which can promote inflammation. Cage-free eggs. This label is a small step up. It means the chickens are not in individual cages and may have around 2 square feet of space. However, cage-free does not guarantee that the chickens have any access to the outdoors. Pasture-raised eggs. This is the superior option. Pasture-raised hens are given significant outdoor space, often at least 10x10 feet, where they can roam, eat their natural diet of insects and plants, and get sunlight. This natural diet and lower stress environment lead to a much healthier egg, one that generally has a better fatty acid profile with more beneficial omega-3s. What about organic? The organic label is also important, but it refers specifically to the feed. It means the feed given to the chicken is free of pesticides and herbicides. However, an organic egg is not necessarily cage-free or pasture-raised. What about vegetarian-fed? This is a misleading marketing term. Chickens are not natural vegetarians. They are omnivores that thrive on eating bugs and worms. A vegetarian-fed label simply means they are likely being fed a diet of corn and soy. The best choice, The gold standard is organic, pasture-raised eggs. This ensures the hen had outdoor access and was fed a high-quality organic diet. You can often find these at supermarkets, or even better, from a local farmer's market. Can't afford pasture-raised? A note on good versus perfect. Don't let perfection be the enemy of your good health. I know that organic pasture-raised eggs can be significantly more expensive. As your doctor, I want to be perfectly clear. Do not stop eating eggs if you cannot afford the pasture-raised option. A conventional egg is still a powerhouse of nutrition. The incredible benefits of the choline, the high-quality protein, vitamin K2, and the antioxidants are all still present. If your choice is between a conventional egg for breakfast and a processed cereal, a sugary yogurt, or a bagel, the conventional egg wins every single time. It is still one of the healthiest and most nutrient-dense foods you can eat, far superior to processed foods that contain added sugar and starches. Maximize your eggs' power. How to eat them for peak nutrition. Hook. You're eating eggs, but are you unlocking their full potential? Finally, how you prepare your eggs matters. You can enhance their health benefits simply by being mindful of how you cook them and what you pair them with. 1. Don't overcook them. First, try not to overcook your eggs. A hard-boiled egg is fine, but scorching eggs in a pan at high heat can damage some of the delicate fats and nutrients. Cooking them over easy, with a runny yolk, or gently scrambled, is a fantastic way to preserve their nutritional integrity. 2. Pair with healthy fats. Fat helps you absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, K2 in the eggs. Olive oil or butter. Cooking your eggs in high-quality olive oil or real butter is an excellent choice. These fats provide their own protective phytonutrients, as long as you avoid overheating them. Avocado. Adding fresh avocado to your plate is a wonderful pairing. This gives you healthy fresh fats and raw oils. This is preferable to many store-bought avocado oils, which are often refined and oxidized, cooked. 3. Add specific foods for a synergistic boost. Arugula. Tossing your eggs over a bed of arugula is a powerful move. The fat from the egg yolk can increase the absorption of the fat-soluble phytonutrients in the greens by as much as 9 times. Onions. Sautéing some onions with your eggs can help enhance your body's detoxification pathways. Tomatoes. Adding seasonal tomatoes provides lycopene, a potent antioxidant that is beneficial for your arteries, prostate, eyes, and brain. Black pepper. A simple dash of black pepper and sea salt can help boost the absorption of the carotenoids, like lutein and zeaxanthin, in the yolk. The fear of eggs is a thing of the past. For my senior patients looking to protect their muscles, sharpen their minds, and strengthen their bones, my recommendation is clear. Eat 3 to 4 eggs every single day. They are the most absorbable form of protein, a top source of brain-boosting choline, and a critical source of vitamin K2 to protect your heart and bones. By choosing the best eggs you can afford, ideally organic and pasture-raised, and pairing them with other healthy whole foods, you are giving your body one of the most powerful and complete forms of nutrition on the planet. I encourage you to include them in at least one of your daily meals and feel the difference. Subscribe for more. If you're ready to improve your health with science-backed nutrition and practical tips for healthy aging, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell. We post new videos every week. Medical disclaimer. The information in this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. It is advisable to consult your physician or another qualified healthcare provider if you have any questions concerning medical conditions.
Thank you for watching. Before you go, a quick and important reminder. This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions about your own health, the best and most reliable source of information will always be your personal doctor or your nearest local medical center. Your health is your most valuable asset. The Healthy Living Podcast's YouTube channel is new. We are just beginning our journey, and our mission is to build a trusted health resource for people over 50. If you found this video valuable and helpful, please consider subscribing to help our channel grow. It's completely free for you, but it means the world to us and allows us to continue creating helpful, valuable content just like this. We appreciate you spending your time with us. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.